I've got something Nordic in-house out here, guys. Inside this. If you've been living inside a rock or a bubble because of the pandemic, then maybe you don't know that a little company called OnePlus is going to be launching yet another phone, and it's called the Nord. And we are unboxing this phone now. Here we have it. This is the OnePlus Nord, and according to the box, this is in the new blue marble color, kind of cyan-like. Yes, talking of cyan, we have got a cyan-colored case also. It's looking like a matte finish case, but we'll check it out in a bit. And a silicon case and a more standard case. But aside from that, let's do this now. OnePlus actually makes it quite easy to unbox this phone. So they've got this open thing and you can just peel it, which is pretty cool and pretty usable. This case, this packaging is also kind of very different from other OnePlus packaging, because those phones come in a red box and this is the first one coming in a full black box. It's black and blue, and that's not too bad. And here we have the beauty. This is the OnePlus Nord. Looks quite delicious. Cyan. Yeah. Let's see what's there inside. Yes, not this. You get a few sleeves, I guess. Usual OnePlus packaging. There's another case inside, some stickers also. OnePlus is now kind of getting cool at this, and you get the usual warp charger and the red cable. So no cyan cable out here, red cable still part of the red cable club, right? Overall, this looks pretty nice and neat. I'm going to be doing a review of this phone very soon, but in the meanwhile, enjoy this unboxing video.